they should be much more proficient.
Planning out the next school year. Summer break may have just begun, but teachers from elementary, middle, and high schools from across the district are busy working at Bluffton High School writing their curriculum for the upcoming school year.
Curriculum mapping is basically teachers getting together and looking at the standards and what we need to get students to either know or be able to do. And so there are different parts of that, and we get to collaborate to kind of come together and really come to a consensus on what we think that means and what it's going to look like in the classroom.
During the 2-day workshop, teachers review state standards and discuss the best strategies to use to drive student learning.
Our experiences show us that we might have thought it was going to work well at one time, and then when you actually go through it with the students, you see that it does need to be remapped. It needs to be adjusted.
So then we're going to work on
We're trying to look at the standards, make sure that the questions on the assessments are really reaching each standard and we're covering all the bases, and that the questions are using the language of the standards so that we're scaffolding for the students and they actually can be successful on these assessments down the road.
High school social studies teachers are also working on reviewing new standards the state has adopted for the 2020 school year.
So we are really just diving deep. We're tearing apart the new standards, figuring out what exactly we need to be doing to best educate our kids.
In the past, teachers would only meet during the summer to work on the maps. However, this year, the district has decided to offer more opportunities for teachers to meet throughout the year.
By allowing for quarterly review of our curriculum, we'll be able to reflect, adjust, and build on our work at a relevant time. It also allows us to open the opportunity for more expertise from teachers who aren't always available in the summer.
Teachers say they look forward to meeting more often so they can constantly analyze and adjust their curriculums.
What I like about this year is they're breaking it up so it's 2 sessions in the summer, and then you have a chance to reflect. So you're not really building your whole curriculum if something didn't work. So it's always a work in progress, and the document can always change based on the feedback.
About 100 teachers are taking part in the workshop. The next curriculum mapping session will be in October. At Bluffton High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.